Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I just want to do a straight-out teardown on this old-school Microsoft SideWinder Remote Control. This one back in the day, in case you want the code. This one back in the day was a really big deal. Microsoft used to be known for making giant remote controls that were more or less their own space stations. They were nice. They felt nice, but some people thought they were a bit much. I like how this unit's put together with Phillips head screws. I'm just going to start by taking those out. Okay, so all Phillips screws except for one in one location, and we are going to pull that out and see what it looks like. Oh, I love it. Mitsumi. Hello. Okay. All right. So the cable comes along nicely. In between, wait, let me get a good look at this circuit board here. A really good look. Come on, autofocus. There's a lot going on here. Mitsumi Co. Limited. Okay, let's go in here. What do we got? There's something about this Mobo I absolutely love. I don't know what it is. I can't put my finger on it. Everything seems to be put together really nicely. Maybe it's something in its simplicity. There's not much to it. I'm a big fan of different buttons. Okay, so that's the scroll wheel in the middle. Scroll wheel. Yeah, that's the scroll wheel right there. Okay, so that's interacting with itself, something within that unit. Okay, that's actually pretty neat. As a scroll wheel, that's pretty badass, and I like it. Wow, I think my kid will like playing with that. Once again, I'm known for loving buttons. The membranes, the little squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh, and the funnest part is doing this. Ah, where'd they go? They're all lost. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, I've never seen a button set up like this. Usually these things are attached not directly to these, but this thing's all in one. And you get the buttons and nubby things. I can almost put this in my pocket and just mess around with it. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, pop, pop, pop. Neat. Anyways, this almost looks like some kind of crazy Zelda's mask or something. Run a wire. So you keep hearing about Louis Rossmann running wires for different reasons. Like say one of these lines here broken, and he would just run a wire from here over to where it was supposed to be and get that whole frickin' motherboard working again. Repairing things isn't the computer man's thing anymore. I mean, we just throw things out and replace them, don't we? And because of that, there's something really remarkable and sad to be said about that. But, damn, for $4, that was a lot of fun to take apart. Anyways, have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?